Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. Everybody's cousin is talking about Tesla at this time. And I got a lot of messages from you guys asking me to do a review on Tesla. And here it is. Is it crashing? Is it going up? What's going to happen with Tesla? Let's talk about Tesla right now. Number one, it's not Amazon. A lot of people on boards, everybody's saying, oh, it's like a next Amazon. It's not the next Amazon. Baba is the next Amazon. I'll tell you that right now in this video. Now, don't compare the revenues and finance of Amazon with Tesla. You can't, okay? You can't, okay? Amazon is somewhere else. They actually deserve that price. Now, does Tesla deserve that price, this price right now? Let me tell you a couple of things, okay? Number one, the split, okay? The split is causing people to think it's going to go back to 2K. They did the split so it doesn't crash down, tumbling down. It's not to make it affordable for people. That's what most people think, because they don't realize that you can buy a fractional share of Tesla, right? You don't need for it to split. You can always you could have bought it like last month, 2 months ago, a split of Tesla at that time with the same amount of money, okay? That's number one. Number two, Tesla's buyers, Tesla's investors are the same people who are pumping Bitcoin, okay? And these are the same people who came over. Cool, let's pump Tesla. That's what's happening with Tesla. Okay, now we all know about the $5 billion deal that's gonna happen with Tesla. So they are, they're gonna be selling $5 billion worth of stocks on Tesla to you guys. Now, usually that news would, make the stock go tumble down. It's not happening with Tesla. You know why? Because it's a cult. It's a cult of people who think we're gonna go to Mars. We're gonna go to Mars. We're gonna go to Mars. Okay, you might go to Mars. That might happen, but not in your lifetime. Okay, not in your lifetime. Now, here's my advice. So, real advice. So, if you are planning to get in, please stop. Okay, it might go up, but be careful because the bubble is about to burst. Okay, keep that in mind. Okay. Now, if you're holding for for it to go to 7K, stop. It's not gonna go to 7K. Get ready to sell. Okay. That's all I got. If you have any question, put it in the comments. I'll get back to you. Thank you so much. Check out my YouTube video for other stock videos. Thank you.